We lost doggy. I don't see them. Hopefully they have not been eaten by bear. My reminder, May 16. I'm not sure how long we will be able to go because it's pretty snowy right now. Wait a second. Hi. Are you ready to continue? Doggy, we have to go. Let's go. Hello. Hello. We go. Hi guys. Our first hike this year. Like the 2 weeks before that it was fine weather. It is what it is. Already here. Wow. We have the doggy with us today. I'm not sure how long we will be able to go because it's pretty snowy right now. And we might need to stop and come back at some point. Wow. It's pretty challenging right now. We didn't expect this at all. Wow. Let's fucking go and try not to die. I don't know what we will be able to see, but for now it looks pretty challenging, I would say. Wow, what a view! Wow!
That's an amazing view.
Wow!
We almost made it.
No, not even close. Actually, when we did our last hike last year,
It was worse than this.
yeah, it was worse.
It was so windy and rainy.
Can you imagine? It's like the same temperature, yeah, but wind and rain. And it's like,
And crazy wind.
and it's like
Not
the
just
top.
a little bit wind, it's a fucking wind.
Yeah, and it's like the top of the mountain. It was like, you know, the whole reach. And we've been walking like the whole reach. It's like couple
And
kilometers.
we didn't prepare for that.
Oh yeah.
We had like summer clothes for that.
Okay, looks like no hike today.
Just,
Huh?
very small.
Very small hike. My reminder, May 16. Hi.
We're going down there?
Yeah. Hi, Mr. Dog. Wow, look at this.
Wow. Oh, there's one at the bottom too. They were bigger.
Look. Hello, Mr. Dog.
See that? You gotta let him go.
Second chapter soon. Next time we're coming back to this hike again.
It's like nothing over there. Look at it. It's like a horror
Yeah.
movie.
Go, go. Don't be shy.
Take it.
Oh, actually, I can see the road. Is it road? What's that? Let's go, Mr. Doggy. second attempt. We are going to the mountain. We have one more person.
Hi guys! Диви.
I stepped on the leash accidentally.
See, that's why he won't move. Okay.
Why is he scared?
You scared him.
Wow, okay. That's fine. Second attempt. Our second attempt.
Нам направо. Нам направо.
Stay close, okay?
Вау. Прикинь, ми тут дроном в прошлий раз літали. Прикинь, якщо б цей раз ви політали.
Yo, dirt bike.
Did you ride it like this?
Yeah, we had one.
Hello.
Are you trying to go up or are you trying to go to the creek?
Oh, on the bike?
Yeah, are you trying to go up or the creek?
Oh, the
Do you know the path?
Oh, we have a map.
You can go this one out here, we can go, this is the path here, it goes. You can go this one over there and we'll just keep it.
Is it possible to get on the peak on the bike?
Sorry?
Can you go on the peak on the bike or you just
Fairly far, yeah.
Yeah? Oh, that's crazy.
Ask.
Whew. Keep going. Honestly, I thought it's gonna be a little bit easier.
Good, his feet grip.
Almost there. Wow. Wow. Nature. Hello. Good. So yeah, the hike was pretty much done. I had 20% left on the camera. We just need to pick up the doggy and Vanessa on our way back. And that's it pretty much. What I can say, the hike was not that hard but not that easy as well for the first one in the year. Pretty good. So hi guys, hopefully you like it. First hike of this year. Okay, we're going down. So windy. So windy. We almost got down to the parking lot. It was very nice hike, to be honest, especially for the first one this year. So much fun. Weather is pretty good compared to last one. So from our second attempt we finally done this hike. So yeah, that's why guys, if you enjoyed this content and enjoyed this video in general, just subscribe, put some likes, so leave some comments, subscribe on my Instagram, and don't forget to support me and buy me the coffee. If you would like to support me as the creator and this channel in general. Oh, okay, see you in the next one.